Lights, camera, action.
Haul video on makeup. So I recently found this website on TikTok and I was so surprised how cheap their makeup were. So I decided to try it out and tell you guys about it so you guys can buy like more affordable makeup items. So today the company or the website I found, it's called Miss A. Makeup it's under $1 and some cents or somewhere like $1, but you can never find something that is like $2, except it's like in a multiple items, like a makeup brush, so their items are like all $1. So I can't actually show you the package because I actually removed it. I actually needed the makeup. I'm going to put the picture of when I got the package. I'm going to put it right here. So it came in like a bubble, kind of like an aesthetic kind of packaging. I actually really liked it, but I actually needed the makeup, so I had to remove it. So without further ado, we're gonna go into this without talking much. So the first item I got is this mirror. So I actually don't have any makeup mirrors, so I decided to get one. By the way, I've actually used some of these products. I'm wearing like some of them right now, so I'm here to tell you that this is actually good. It's very affordable, like you won't regret buying this. As I was saying, I got the mirror. It's I think $125, and you can see how big this is. It's very nice. It's huge. Like I seriously like it so much. I love the color. The color is pink and all that, and I like this little the design at the back also. It's very cute. Next thing I got is this face primer. It's good for like the base of all your makeup. So I got a primer to like apply. So this is how it came. I've actually started using this, and this is how the inside looks right now. And this is the color. The color is very cute, and it's like you can just put it in your bag. It's not too big. Okay, so the next thing I got is this makeup brush palette. Oh, it's not a palette, but it's a 10-piece makeup brush. It comes with everything, foundation brush, eyeliner brush. So it came with everything that you actually need for your daily basis makeup. So like this is actually a 10-piece makeup brush, and it was actually $10 because it's 10. So here it is. It's very nice. Like I've actually been using it this past week, and I've actually washed it a couple of times. It didn't shed, like it's very nice. It's very soft on the skin. So I got like a couple of like eyeshadows and like gel eyeshadows. So the first one I got is this one. It looks small, but it's very pigmented. I'm actually wearing it right now as the base of my eyeshadow, and I seriously like it. And next one I got is this one. It's very nice. You can use it as like a natural eye makeup, or you can use it as your base makeup. It's very nice and very pigmented. It's a gel eyeshadow, and you can also use it as eyeliner. So I got one in blue. I got one in this color. It's like shiny color. It's called Love Story. I got one in yellow. I got one in red, which I'm using right now on my eyes. And I got one in kind of like a shiny green, like a emerald color. So the ones I've tried is this red one because I have red hair. So it's actually pretty nice. If you look at my eyes right now, you can see how like pigmented it is. Next thing I got is this eyeliner. This one is in the shade of pink, and this one is kind of like, it's red, but a different kind of shade of red. So I actually got this too. As you can see, I haven't opened this one yet, but I've opened this one. I actually used it in my last video, so you guys go check that out. I'm gonna link it in the description. So I actually got this too. It's very nice. Like I seriously like all this product. And an eyebrow pencil, it's like this one. You open it, it has the eyebrow brush and the eyebrow itself. You're going to draw on it. So it's very nice. It's very comfortable, and it's like, it's not harsh on the skin or whatever, so it's very nice. And I got mascara. First of all, I like the color of like this mascara. Like itself just made me want to buy it. So it's a mascara. When you open it, it's like this, and it's very nice. It like, when I put on my eyes, it touches all of my lashes like individually, so like it makes my eyelashes look longer than it actually is. So next one I got is this makeup wipes. Actually 15 and it was like 125 or 150. Like, it was so nice. It's very nice on your skin. It was all your makeups. It's so nice. It's like this, and I like the color. I like the pink, I like the black, like it's hidden. Then I got is this lip liner. It's red in color. Actually, right here, it's very useful for like your daily needs and everything. So the website has every makeup items you need, from concealer to foundation, to eyeshadows, to like brow makeups. It has every single thing, and it's very affordable. You don't even have to have like a lot to like buy the items. It's very nice. So we have actually come to the end of this video because I didn't buy much. I just wanted to like test it out to see if it's actually good. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. What video I should do next. Don't forget to follow all my socials. They'll be linked down below. So I hope you guys have a very nice day. I'll see you guys in the next video.